Hi, good morning. How are you today? I hope you are having a beautiful morning. Welcome to my kitchen. Look around. The sun is shining brightly today. I love the morning light. Are you hungry? Because I am very hungry. Right now, I am making breakfast. Breakfast is my favorite meal of the day. It gives me energy. Look at my pan. I am cooking eggs. 1, 2, 3 eggs. And vegetables. It smells so good. I love healthy food. A healthy body makes a happy mind, right? Look at my cutting board. I have fresh vegetables here. I have red tomatoes. They are sweet and juicy. And I have green cucumbers. They are very crunchy. Do you like vegetables? Tell me, what is your favorite vegetable? I like fresh food because it is good for me. I love sports. I love fitness. So my food must be clean. I do not like fast food. No burgers or heavy fries for me. They make me feel tired. And I want to have energy. Energy for walking, for learning, and for shopping. Do you like sweet food? I like sweet things too, but I eat natural sweets. I love fresh fruits, strawberries, apples, and bananas. They are so delicious. And I only drink water or green tea. No sugar, just fresh water. It is very good for the skin. Cooking is very relaxing for me. It is like magic. You take simple vegetables and you make a beautiful meal. I live alone, so I am cooking for one person right now. But sometimes I think it is nice to share a meal. Maybe one day I can cook breakfast for you? Would you like that? I make very good eggs. Okay, my food is ready. It is time to eat. Thank you for spending the morning with me. Please write in the comments, what is your perfect breakfast? I want to know. Have a wonderful day. See you soon. Bye-bye.